airport na po ako. Super traffic. Grabe. God bless la. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye. Having a lola is the best. Tinawagan niya because she made sure na I got here safe. Because my flight is at 4:30 and it's currently T24. Waiting for my teammates Elle, Arvin, and Ara. I think they're stuck in traffic. So yeah, hope they can make it. Keep on intro. Hi everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog naman, I'm going to Boracay with my teammates. It's gonna be fun kasi it's a team event and I'm hoping to share all the memories with you guys. Kaya stay tuned. Here they are. On the dot.
Alam nyo, saktong 20 kilograms yung...
Totoo ba?
Oo, galing.
So sila, oh, ito isa. Ready ka na umuwi ng Bacolod? Saan sila?
Si Arvin gagawin iniwan.
Piniliwan na.
Traffic, be.
Hello, ma'am.
Hey, hello. Hi. Hi guys, so on the way namin to Boracay and we're currently experiencing sobrang ng turbulence. Sobrang liit ng plane namin, so kinakabahan kami ngayon. Ano kaya reaction nila, El? Sana mag-video siya. Reaction video. So yun lang, update namin kayo kung buhay pa kami later. Sarap. We're alive! Ooh, OA, OA, OA. First time ko to ride a plane that small. And then OA din nung alog talaga malala. So, at least now, we're okay. And we're on our way to the... Hi, Kuya! We're on our way to the... I don't know where, pero somewhere. See ya! Are you safe to slay another day?
I am, yes. Parang akala ko safe ako sa grades, pero dito ako
Matetegi. Diyos ko Lord. Kuya, kakastart ko lang mag-channel. Ayun, no?
Okay.
Thank you for subscribing. Van number 13, guys. We're here. Hi guys, I'm back. So we're currently here na in White House Beach Resort in Boracay. Thank you so much to the Royal family for accommodating us. First order of business, mag-room tour muna tayo para bago maging dilubyo yung room namin. Papakita ko na sa inyo in a cleaner version. So yeah, first is, this is the CR. Hello. May shower and then there's a toilet. And then meron kaming 2 beds. I think that's double and then this one's queen. And then meron kami extra bed here for I don't know who. And then say hi guys. Pahinga lang sila dyan kasi super ngarag nung flight. And then we also have a balcony over here. So yeah, ito yung view namin. But eto, let's turn on the light. Slay! Here is the... I think dito sila. Diyan ang women's. So yon. Hi guys, so we're currently here in Budget Mart. So syempre, tipid-tipid lang tayo. We're buying stuff lang or like food para sa unit. Sa hotel. And then, yun lang, para tipid. And at the same time, busog kami dito. Right? Yeah. Slay. This is not sponsored. Pero baka naman. Hello! What's up?
Hello.
Ikaw lang?
Nasa. Say hi to my mom.
Hi po, tita.
Hey po.
Uy!
Mali
So pretty.
Mali.
I've been on my favorite spot.
Open the
Hello! Hi! Hello! Hi! Oops! Censored. Hi! Hi guys! Say hi to my vlog. How was your flight?
Workout.
Totoo? Yung may maulog din. Scary.
Saan yung gamit?
Hi guys, we finally found a restaurant. For our lunch, medyo malayo na kadami from station 1 to station 3, I would say. I'm not sure if this is station 2 or 3. Anong station to? 2 na lang, decide kami. Lipat na sila mag-adjust for us. We're waiting for El pa din kasi nandun pa siya sa hotel. Bayan, ikaw mo. Gcash kasi. Pwede ba?
Kaya pa.
Pag dito,
Natakot.
natakot.
Natakot na lang.
Yun lang, modus. How deep is your love? Sana all. So we just finished eating lunch and we're gonna look for something to drink. Maybe we'll go to Jonas to buy mango shake. Or we buy. Actually, let's buy muna para may props tayo for the pictorial. That's the key to your to your pictures. You should have, it's better to have props. Para mas mas nice. Ito. Okay, bye. Yo again. Hi guys. Yo our favorite. Oh, we just passed by here and then nakita namin yung Yo. So we decided to buy. Pero after this, we might look for a coffee shop to stay because may vlog. May pictorial kami. Kasi hindi pa giving yung mga surroundings dito, medyo dami pang tao. Hi guys. So we're currently here in Sunnyside Cafe.
And it's currently 3:48 in the evening. Afternoon.
Pero parang
Parang 6 na kasi the weather is not giving.
Yeah, the
It's
weather
super gloomy eh.
Slave. But maliligo kami mamaya. Maliligo kami mamaya kasi I think, it's better to ligo when it's raining. Am I right, Kuya? Yes, am I right?
So we just ordered drinks here, coffee lang, and then we're just gonna chill. But for me, I'm gonna edit my vlog. So
For me, I'm gonna study for
Kayod.
Uy! Study agad kakatapos na sa sagot. Okay, so this is vlog invasion number 1. As we can see, the rain is so strong outside. Strong, yes. So what can you say about today's rain? Yes, opo. Kuya Will, ano ba yung weather update? Parang bandag. We're like tomatoes right now because the lights are like warm and it's so dark outside.
Athens! Hindi pa naman po natin kasi yung parang bandag.
Okay, Arvin, what can you say about today's weather? take us to today's weather? Sabi niya, what can you say about today's weather? Sabi niya, ano, sunod na take ka sa ano. Ayan na. Kaya akala ko sa'yo ganap ngayon. Okay. Ang weather ngayon nakakapusta.
No bother.
Hindi kami makapunta ng swimming ng mga... Hindi kami makapagtan. Cut this.
Ayan na, busy-busyhan siya. Busy-busyhan siya.
We just finished playing beach volleyball. It's currently 6:54 p.m. And ang saya kasi we were able to play with other people here. From here. Wait lang, labo. OA. So, yun lang, happy kasi andito yun si Coach Jesse Lopez. And I got the chance to play with him. Naging partner pa kami in beach volleyball. Galing lang. So, yun. Mustang beach volleyball. OA.
Wala, I had fun actually, and I saw the Jesse
Lopez.
Lopez. So hot.
Oh, yeah.
So kind.
Morning guys, so it's third day today and finally the sun's out after 3 days of waiting for the Mr. Sun. Finally it came out already. And yeah, this is a quick tour of White House Beach, Boracay. There's a pool and there's a mini bar over there. And then oh, there pala, sorry, there's the mini bar. Then I'm just gonna show you guys the view. Here is the view. Morning, I don't know. I'm alone. They're still sleeping. So, continuation of the challenge. I think this is the final challenge. And then, madali pala dito. Uy, puro pat yung nakikita ko. Saan ba tayo pupunta? Uy. Say hi.
Ay, hindi. Natakot.
Okay, I think this is it. Ay, dito lang. No, dapat we have to go down.
Meron pa doon, meron pa.
So, we're going down na.
Parkour tayo ma, kayo lang.
Ay, go. Oh, you're caught on video ha, para pag namatay ka at least may video.
Gagapag ka na rin. Parang tapon-tapon na lang yung...
Uy, Arvin, mag-ingat ka.
Hindi ko kaya naman.
Kaya naman, ano yung wood oh, it's very thick.
Ang ina mo, Arvin. Wala nakakatakot.
Sleigh. That's a sleigh.
Ha?
Let's go, fellas. Let's go. Oh my God. Uy, uy, uy. Let's go, Lord, challenging. Thank you. Day, mag-ingat ka, Day. Dapat, when you're in the middle, go fast na. Okay, go fast.
Oh, hug ka daw niya, i-hug ka niya.
Bawat uhaw na nasayaw, lagi ikaw. This is what you do for the gram. Super nice. Okay guys, the adventure continues. Oh my God, bakit ang soft? Mag-picture ka, Arvin. Oh. Sa'yo na to, Day.
Hello, Arvin. Hello. We're here at We Don't Know. Nowhere in
But this
Boracay.
is paradise.
Come with us. Nowhere in Boracay. Tara!
Tara!
Sa dati ikaw!
Hi guys, so we're back at it again. So we swam lang earlier sa beach and then we went to, saan ngayon? Nowhere. Nowhere or somewhere. And then now we're gonna eat our super duper late lunch. It's currently 3:55. Actually, ano to, merienda. So say hi. Dito kami sa Tres Amigos. So we ordered Yang chow, sinigang, chicken, and isaw-taw. Ito may vlog. We're in Smooth Cafe. We're just chilling until the sunset, and then we'll play beach volleyball later. So what's up? Hi guys, fit check for today. This is our last full day in Boracay and we're kinda sad. Sad ba kayo? Gusto
Sad
nyo
kasi
umuwi?
pera.
Ayaw nga. Ayoko pa umuwi. I can stay here for like another 10 days. Pero bigyan nyo ako ng mga ano, ng work.
Accommodation.
Pang-accommodation tsaka pang-work. I have something to do here. So yeah. We'll get a henna and then we'll eat lunch na after.
Wala ka.
Hi guys, so we're gonna get a henna
Kuya,
tattoo.
ano ba rin yung mga designs?
I'm gonna put mine over here. The zodiac sign. What henna are you getting?
Something related to tats.
Okay. Pussy.
Ha?
You like pussy? Got mine already. It's my zodiac sign. You guys see it? Show yours. Idol niya ako, so gagaya siya. Ayan. What's yours? A pussycat. Dito. Gusto namin dito, guys. Parang kay Celeste Cortez. Joke lang.
Gusto ko yung ano, yung parang tattoo ni... Costume ni ano, MMD. Parang ganun.
Uy, ano, apawang audio mo buong katawan. Just ate our lunch.
Ay, mga ano.
Now we're going to Coco Mama to buy some dessert. I've tried it na, but it's in LU, but they haven't tried it, so we're gonna get it. Then Elle is here. Elle, what are you looking at?
I'm gonna buy my mother a necklace.
Okay. Wait, better picture. I wanna buy also the flower. Para cute.
Saan tayo kumain? Masarap diba? Super sarap.
Cause got our Coco Mama. First time mo?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll taste test and then mag-review kami later. Feeling food vlogger. Naka-play na yan. Back at it again. Oh, nagsaya na siya dyan. So nice. Victorial. Paano siya? Paano siya, El? Paano? Yung best.
Kailangan ko po talagang maraming blessings. So, siya rin na.
Tell you a million tiny things that you will never know. It all gets tangled up inside. Tell you a million little reasons falling for your eyes. I just want to be where you are.